The Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company's Global Innovation Center, located in Akron, Ohio, is a unique recipient of AME's Award of Excellence.
Now we have about roughly 1,000 people working here. They are mostly engineers. We have indoor testing here. We have our materials labs here.
So the Goodyear you see today is definitely not the Goodyear you saw 10 years ago. A lot of the same people that I worked with 10 years ago are still here. It's just those people are doing different things now and they're doing it better.
And we had an environment where we spent a lot of time in projects waiting in queues. A lot of work in process, high levels of inventory, so to speak, of great ideas.
It used to be so frustrating coming into work and just spinning your wheels all day long to try and get something done.
Indeed, something had to be done, and that's when they looked to the lean journey. But it wasn't that easy.
It's difficult to see the work in process. So we had to do a lot of things to experiment with what the right way to visualize that work was.
And so, through trial and error, was born the visual room.
With a team of 28 people, it's hard to understand what's going on a day-to-day basis. So what this board does for me is I can go up to it and see who needs work, who maybe is overloaded and might need some help, and it kind of helps balance the workload.
But with new management came new demands.
We used to develop product and we launched it when the product was ready. And they were not willing to accept it anymore. They said, we have a plan and our marketing plan is based on the fact that we have the product and that's when we need the product, when the market is ready.
To accomplish this, research and development work had to be realistically scheduled.
We finally recognized that we can do better and we can get more products through if we maybe set the pace or set a little different pace instead of just panic mode all the time.
We are definitely in an environment of development and experimentation. Things go wrong, and we need an ability to recover and an ability to address unexpected issues.
It was frustrating, and now through all this journey that we've been on, everything's changed. I can come to work and know that I can get something done because I know the process behind it's going to support it and work.
The comment was made about what does it take to understand our capacity. I mean, do you know how important that is for us to achieve what we need to achieve? It's not so easy, is it? It's detailed hard work that really distinguishes winners from those who don't win in the marketplace. And where it starts is in visual planning rooms, Norbert, like you did. And of course, without talking to each other, we all know what happens. Just to use this as an example, we have, as they say, eyes bigger than the stomach, right? You think you can bite off more than you can actually digest. That's what happens. Going through and having a process orientation and being recognized for that process orientation by Michael and AME is fantastic.
Congratulations to the Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company Global Innovation Center in Akron, Ohio.